The wealthy couple once again purchased brand new camping gear. When opened up, it's the most comfortable mobile luxury apartment. Not only does it have all the living functions, the heating setup has also been upgraded. After the man's quick calculation, in definitely no more than half a day, the forest will surely welcome a super strong blizzard. Rich camping experience is built up just like this. Friends, remember to like and follow. More than ever, a wide inflatable mattress. Camping outdoors. The quality of sleep while camping is what excites them most. The unique environment can truly bring deep relaxation and recovery to the body and mind, no longer disturbed by external stimuli. The air here is fresher than in the city. There is no work pressure, and they're far from the troubles of family chores. The upgraded stove is even more impressive. It can also function as a microwave and an oven. Just as the man predicted, the sound of rapid raindrops can be heard outside. The tent's classic square design is not only appealing but also has excellent wind resistance. The door and windows both have a double-layer sealed design, effectively blocking the invasion of rain and cold wind, and it's equipped with multiple wind ropes and sturdy ground stakes to secure it firmly to the ground. Even the extremely cold, -30-degree snowy mountains bear traces of where they have lived. This sudden temperature drop is a piece of cake. They just need to light the furnace. The temperature in the tent will rise in no time. Everything is ready. It's time to cook a gourmet meal again. This feeling of physical and mental satisfaction is unparalleled. It's not just about the taste, but also a feeling for the soul. Outside the tent, the wind is wild and the rain is heavy. The temperature is still plummeting. The man has to re-secure the stakes. Swirling snowflakes have already swept in, carrying the coldest chill. The rainstorm turned into a blizzard in an instant. The man's prediction was indeed accurate. The warmth inside the tent will not be affected at all. They just need to zip it up completely, and the stove's heating function will be even more powerful. Friends who want to see more exciting follow-up videos, remember to follow and like. We will always update the couple's outdoor camping updates.